In this video, we are going to see how we can delete the Roblox account altogether on mobile. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So all you have to do is just click on the bottom right hand corner and click on the more icon. Click on that. And once we are in here, we need to scroll all the way down to this option that says settings. Click on that. And here we will select privacy and content restrictions. And once it opens up, the last option says here account deactivation and deletion. We will choose this one, and we have two options. Either we can deactivate the account or we can initiate the account deletion. But if you want to, let's say, initiate the account deletion process, it says here that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be reversed. After deleting your account, you will not be able to access any items on Roblox account. So if you're not sure if you want to delete your account, you can deactivate it above instead. So let's say that you want to temporarily just deactivate this. We will choose this option, otherwise we will choose this. So we have both of these options. If you want to initiate it here, you just finally click on initiate and that will be deleted right away and completely wiped out within the 30 days time period. After that, you can just log in with your other profile, and that is how we can delete a Roblox account on mobile application. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.